Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Family, I got something new for you today. Bahamian egg conch rolls. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. To my YouTube family, my subscribers, those of you who are just watching and you haven't subscribed us yet, I don't know, but please subscribe. This is Thanksgiving. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. to my YouTube family, friends, and everyone today. It's Thanksgiving. And thank you a million. I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. I'm still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Don't forget to check the description box now. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.